Hey, seventh graders, Mr. Allard. I'm gonna make a quick little video to kind of show you how to get to your Wednesday work today. Um, this is going to be really important as we add to kind of our discussion of current events and things like that. And also, we're going to read that full article that we looked at bits and pieces of the article yesterday in class. But without further ado, here we go. Alright, so right now I'm at your Schoology page. You'll see the Schoology NewsELA discussion is right here. I'm in my browser, so it may look a little bit different than yours. Alright, but if I click on the Wednesday work, you'll see first thing you need to do is you need to log into Clever. You can go to the school website and do that. You can come right here and it's going to ask you to log in with Active Directory. It may log mine in. I'm going to try to log in as a student. Okay, so it's got mine in here. Let me just make me take up the whole spot. Nope. So I'm just gonna kind of go in. It would just be I'm gonna log in as a student. It would just be your first name dot your last name. Now you may have to add the midlakes.org in there. And then it would be your student ID number to log in. It asked me for that, so all I would add to that is midlakes.org. Not going to save it to my computer. Alright, so now that I'm in here, you can see that there's all these different extensions. Now you may have this as an app. Your sign-in would be pretty much the same. You may have NewsELA as an app as well, but you can see this is a way for folks to get to their OneDrive. If you're having trouble with a Word document, you can sign in through here, but that's kind of another day. So let's click on our NewsELA. So as you see the NewsELA assignments, you see that there's an assignment from Miss Manns. There's an old assignment from me. If you didn't do that, that's from a Wednesday assignment from a while ago, so you could do that today. But let's focus on our presidential debate takeaways article. Okay, look at the instructions. I'm going to read the article, answer the quiz questions, click on the article. Alright, don't worry about taking the poll right now. Okay, so I go through, I'd read the document. I can practice some power words if I want to, but I do need to take the quiz when I'm done reading the document. Okay, so make sure you take this quiz. The power words are nice vocab words. I didn't see that there was power words on this one, so we'll try to integrate those as well. Once you're done reading and you're done taking the quiz, you're going to go back to your Schoology and you're going to respond to the discussion. Okay? You're not going to be able to see anybody else's post until you post something on there. Okay? Now you can respond to one of the. You don't have to do all of them. Okay? So for number one, it says, what issues discussed at the debate, COVID-19, healthcare, racism, do you think is most important to the election and why? It's okay to use the word I, but I do expect you to rag and answer these questions in full sentence. So for a question like that, you might say, just answer it. Like if you think COVID-19 is the most important issue in this election because, and then you would answer it, right? You could put healthcare there. You could put racism there. That's okay. Number two, the article talks a lot about Trump and Biden kind of attacking each other. Do you think that that was a good idea or a bad idea for the debate? You could say Trump and Biden attacking each other was good for the debate because. You could take out, if you didn't think it was good, you could say bad for the debate. Either one's work, right? Do you think this debate was helpful for people who have not decided who they would vote for? Why or why not? You could say this debate was not helpful for people who have not decided who they would vote for because, right? And if you think it was, you could say, right, take away that not, but it was helpful, right? Then you would hit post, and then make sure you respond to another person's comment. And let's try to get our responses to more than like nice post or whatever. You know, ask a question. Maybe ask them to clarify. If you posted something different, maybe say, hey, why do you think that way? I think this way. All right. Make sure that this is done kind of by the end of the day. Also on Wednesday, or actually let me go big screen for this. Also on Wednesday too, you could, like we said, you could go and work on that other NewsELA article. You do have a vocab foldable you could be working on as well. I will be available for office hours between 11 and 12. If you have any questions, you can come see me during that time. I'll also be sending some people some grade reports. Okay, so you could be looking at back work and things like that. But if you have any questions, I'm always available on Schoology. So send me a message that way. Until next time, 7th graders, out.